Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing Easter decoration ideas for 2025. From simple DIY projects to more elaborate creations, we've got something for everyone. So grab a cup of your favorite spring tea, get comfy, and let's get creative. Easter is one of my favorite times of the year. It's a time for family, friends, faith, and fun. What better way to get into the spirit than by adding a touch of Easter magic to your home? Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse feel or a modern look, there are countless ways to make your home special. This year, I'm all about natural elements, soft pastel colors, and whimsy. Think blooming flowers, fluffy bunnies, and sweet little Easter eggs. Ready to create a warm and inviting space that celebrates Easter? Let's get started. Let's start with a classic, the Easter egg wreath. This isn't your mama's wreath. We're using real eggshells, dyed in pretty pastel colors, to create a piece that's both rustic and elegant. Next up, let's add a touch of whimsy to your Easter table with these adorable bunny ear napkin rings. They're super easy to make and add a playful vibe. Nothing says spring like fresh flowers. We'll create stunning centerpieces using tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths for a burst of color. Bring the charm of an Easter egg hunt indoors with a whimsical Easter egg tree. We'll decorate a small, bare branch with colorful, vibrant eggs for a touch of spring. Let's get creative with Easter baskets. Use woven baskets, colorful fabrics, and tags for a handmade touch. Add festive fun to your celebration with a dreamy pastel balloon garland. It's a simple way to impress. Guide your little bunnies to their Easter treats with an adorable bunny footprint path using stencils and flour. Add rustic charm with a DIY carrot garland. We'll use burlap, twine, and faux carrots for this decoration. Create a warm, inviting glow with these charming Easter egg candles. We'll use real eggshells for these unique candles. Welcome guests with a beautiful spring wreath. We'll use faux flowers, greenery, and Easter accents for a welcoming touch. Add playful charm to your walls with bunny silhouette art. Use craft paper, scissors, and frames. Guide your little hunters with adorable Easter egg hunt signs. We'll use reclaimed wood, paint, and stencils. Repurpose those eggshells into adorable mini planters. Fill them with herbs, succulents, or small flowers for spring. Create a festive foundation for your Easter feast with a table runner. Use spring-themed fabric and personalize it. Add a playful touch to your mantle or banister with a bunny garland. Use felt, cotton balls, and twine. Create a conversation-starting centerpiece with a unique Easter egg topiary. We'll use floral foam, skewers, and eggs. Make dyeing Easter eggs easy with an organized, fun DIY station. We'll use mason jars, food coloring, and tools. Greet guests with a cheerful Easter bunny door hanger. We'll use wood, paint, ribbon, and creativity for this charming project. Add a touch of rustic elegance with mason jars. We'll use twine, lace, and spring florals for a vintage-inspired look. Add a personalized touch to your Easter table with egg place cards. Use colorful markers and calligraphy for charm. Thanks for watching. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a warm and inviting Easter celebration. It's all about adding personal touches to make your home special. Check out our store for all the items featured in this video, from charming bunny figurines to beautiful spring wreaths, to help you create the perfect Easter atmosphere. From our family to yours, happy and blessed Easter. See you next time.